Hello guys, hope everyone is doing well. Today we will discuss about the career of mechanical engineering student as a consultant in the field of engineering services. Mechanical engineering technology is an exciting field, although the path to becoming a consultant doesn't always take the same route. You can be assured you will need a variety of skills and experience to be successful at this job. Mechanical engineering technology takes math skills, mechanical skills, creativity, and communication along with work experience. Let's see else you need in order to shine in this career path. A consultant is a professional who provides expert advice in a particular area such as business, education, law, human resources, marketing, finance, healthcare, engineering, science, security, or any of many other specialized fields. Engineering consulting is a practice of performing engineering as a consulting engineer. It assists in the development of both public and private companies. This development can be in a variety of ways, including process management, product design, fabrication, branding, and marketing. The interesting aspect in the taking the path is the involvement of hands-on activities like designing, testing, and manufacturing mechanical engines, tools, and machines. As such, this is a program that would appeal to anyone who has ever wanted this kind of working environment and experience. As a mechanical engineering consultant, most of the activities will revolve around solving problems in real world scenarios. Learning these skills is an imperative given the fact that the program itself focuses on core areas like electromechanical devices, instrumentation and controls, mechanical design and analysis, material science and manufacturing processes, as well as computer-aided engineering, graphics analysis. The program encourages the learner to acquire the necessary skills, knowledge and techniques through the use of modern tools and machines during practical learning sessions. In doing so, graduates can conduct, analyze, and record the correct experiment results. The collection of all those skills gives mechanical engineering consultants the edge when it comes to the designing or suggesting necessary improvements on existing mechanical processes. However, the typical duties involve the following: evaluating, designing sketches to improve the existing tools, compare test results against the specification provided for the designing and recommended changes in the test methods during necessity, preparing drawing of parts and the steps for assembling the parts, reviewing project blueprints and instruction to confirm the test specification were followed, prepare the conducts test for assembled tools or individual parts, come up with labor cost estimates, determine plant space and recommending equipment life. Based on those rules, you will be working closely with the professional if you opt to be a consultant in this field.